Hey everyone, this is JC and I'm the author of the in-app purchase plugin for Cordova. This is the second episode in this series about in-app purchases. If you did not already, please check the first episode. I'm gonna build upon it to make a store screen, so a place where people can purchase an upgrade for the application. We're gonna do a subscription here and let's get started. I'm gonna just first go over our current state. Here is my screen. So we have an empty index.html file. We just load this js/index.js file. We have some global state management function, set state. It changes this global state variable and just call render. So this is a render function. It's gonna replace the body element with the content of a page from this pages variable here. For every page, we're gonna use a command layout. So we have a function to use to create a layout with a title and some content. For now, we've defined a home page and account page that just have a button to switch from one or another. Open page is gonna set the state with this page variable. We have an event listener ready for a device ready event for Cordova. This is where we can start using our plugins. So we're gonna refer to this window.store variable, which is our in-app purchase plugin. And let's initialize it. So first thing first, I like to have high verbosity. So I'm using store verbosity debug, so I will see everything that happens on the logs. I also want to register my products. So this is the register function. It takes an array of products. And we're gonna define our array right above it. So products equals, and a product has an ID, it has a type. So we want to use a subscription in this demo. So I'm gonna use the store.paid subscription type. We need to specify that. And for the ID, I'm gonna go check on Safari. This is my Cordova purchase demo application. And I already defined a bunch of in-app purchase products for testing. So I'm gonna reuse this one, the subscription product. Its ID is this one. And I will use the second product so I can demo later how to migrate from one subscription to another. I have a second subscription. Let's change the ID. Okay. The better subscription is a higher tier than this one. As you can see, there is a subscription group here. And number 1 is better subscription, number 2 is subscription. So this one is better than this one. And it has some importance, like Apple is gonna consider something an upgrade and something a downgrade, and whatever happens is different. When you upgrade, the new subscription is active right away. When you downgrade, the higher level subscription stays active until the end of the period, and then the downgraded subscription gets activated. So here we register our products, and we want to call this refresh function that's gonna basically load everything that needs to be loaded from AppStore or Google. We want to have some callback functions set up so we know what's happening. And whenever a product is updated, we want to call this our render function. So we update our screens whenever something changes related to in-app purchases. There is another important one, which is the store.ready callback. And this one is gonna trigger when the store is ready to be used. So we just do set state. It's a function called set state ready true. Okay, good. So here we're changing our state to know that ready did trigger. This way we can use this variable from our screens. So initially it's false. And let's add our new page. It's gonna be the store page. To keep it quick, I'm gonna reuse this store with a back button. And we want a button to move to this page from here. I think I'm gonna have so many buttons, I'm gonna make a button function. a button add on click and a label on click, and it's gonna return this. I think it's gonna make our code clearer. Okay, and here we put our label. So now, okay, so we're gonna refactor this home page. Homepage now will have two buttons. First button is gonna go to the account page, so it's a button. I'm gonna put account as the label. The on click is open page account. Okay, new line, and then another button to go to the store page, open page store. Let's refactor those as well. Button, open page home, back to home. All right, and our store gonna be the same. Great. So this is clearer now, and let's put some content into our store screen. Okay, so probably our content is gonna have first to check if the store is ready. As remember, we did set state.ready to true when the store is ready. If it's not, we want to return some text like please wait. Now it's ready, and we want to iterate over our products. I think the best way to do that is to put our products array in the state. So set state products. Here we just put this array up there. Products. It's an empty array at first. So from here we can iterate over that. State.products equals .map, and I'm gonna put the result into HTML for each product. We want the ID, so I'm gonna do like that. I think I need to put parentheses, and then we're gonna get the product from the store. So star.get ID is gonna return the product from the store. If product, maybe if no product first, I'm gonna return empty, at least like something is loading. Div class equals row. Yeah, and now we have a product, so we can return a row that has some content in it. This makes more readable HTML. So there is a title, product.title. There is a description, product.description, and we have a price, and we're gonna use the price as a label for our button. So here we're gonna make a button, maybe not a p element, button. Title is gonna be our product.price, and on click we're gonna see later. All right, so we have title, description, price for every product. Those are fields you can get from documentation of the plugin. It's here. You can see there is an API documentation. So all kind of callbacks are explained here. registering products, displaying products, and where is the product? Here, all the product attributes are documented here. So there is a lot of them, because you can do more complicated stuff like introductory price, discounts, downloading products from the App Store, and check expiry dates and stuff like that. We're gonna see everything a bit later. I mean, most features hopefully are gonna be in this series. All right, I have some array of HTML documents. I want to join this way and put this and return this in this content function. So here our content function is gonna return div class equals container our HTML. And now we can test. Building always takes some time. Alright, our app is launched, and you can see a lot of logs on Xcode. Now I'm gonna click on the store button, and here we can see our two products. Subscribe to Nothing, which is the title for the subscription 1 product. It gives you access to a static paragraph of text, and a better subscription is like the regular subscription but better. So you have like the $1 subscription, a $10 subscription, and the prices. Now I didn't put any handlers for the unclick on those buttons, and this is gonna be for the next tutorial. We're gonna initiate a purchase, finalize it, and probably see which subscription is owned, and act upon that. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and hope you like it. If you want to be notified of the next video, hit subscribe and the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.